So this happens today in Morant. Actually, there was some rainfall and then this area flooded out again. And the reason for this is because the water not flowing out. And the reason for the water not flowing out is because of the garbage, buckle, the plastic and all those things that they throw into the gully, into the gutter, into the road and up because flowing right here. So you see the fire truck out there, mayor out there, black persons out there trying to get this place clean. Look at it, flood out. So you can actually see that the traffic blocked up because of this. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So they're out now trying to clear the area. Morant Bay St. Thomas. This is right now down on the walk road in front of the Morant Bay Plaza. Uncle. So you can see the fire truck is actually leaving and the problem is not itself. So they're going to take a different approach to get it done, viewers and subscribers. Remember, coming back to see what happened, if it clear or what. So continue watching and see if it actually gets it sorted out. Garbage from the roadside. Start charge them. So yes, viewers and subscribers, look at this now. Look at this. they actually get it started out, so going closer to look.
So the water gone now. Make me get a closer look and see how it's staying now. That they come and do some cleaning out not too long ago. Because guess what's flooding out today with little rain. It's smelly still, it's still really smelly. But this one dig deeper though, see? Still some little thing alright. One dig a little deeper, but anyway, them come on and do some work today. Can't think to cross because there's a quick response from the team, the mayor, parish council. The team was out today getting this clean out. Yeah, man, the fire truck also, fire brigade also was trying to get it done. So everybody pulled together to do this. Morant there, going on Watford. And people remember now, you see the buckle them that not sure they got in and they drain them, and for the road side wanna stop them thing them man. All them thing they cause a problem and close the place. And they wanna blame people whereas we are the problem. We are the problem. Yeah, man. So we down by the plaza, the Morant Bay Plaza section right now. So you can see that a lot of work was done to get this place sorted out. We can go for the next step, see. Come across now, so I go on. Yeah, man. So then actually do some cleaning out. You can see the water running. See it. So people remember, look at garbage. Like we stop to the buckle them garbage in the drain them because this is a problem. When rain fall, a problem. All of this morning today full of water. So then come and just do some work. You know, to big up whosoever, the team who come out and do the work, big them up and on. Last time rainfall was the water run through, run for the plaza.